So let's talk about JCT. Its full name is Junction and it's sitting at 006. Now this is a very new coin. When I say new coin, it was launched on 10th of November. Basically today is the second day of its life. And so far, at least on the chart that we are seeing for CoinMarketCap, it is up more than 100%. So let's see what is this project about, because we are going to look at its short-term life. Is this a good project in short term, or is it actually an amazing project to hold for long term? I'll give you the good and bad that will justify that if the tokenomics and the economy of this project makes sense for you to hold it for long term and you should keep on buying and collecting, or is this something that is a pump and dump and you should run away from it by finding an exit in November, December and getting the hell out of it. And of course, in the end, I'm going to share a graph. I'll give you the areas that you can enter. I'll give you where is the support, where is the resistance, where you can buy, where you can sell. That will help you basically to save you from buying at a extremely high price while you can get a 50% discount. So let's get started. Let's see what is this project about, because I've never looked at this coin before. It's a decentralized AI infrastructure. One thing that we have learned so far is that there is not a single coin that doesn't start its sentence by saying we are not a decentralized. Everyone says decentralized. That makes the word decentralized meaningless, because every fucking coin is decentralized. So what's unique? Nothing. Anyway, decentralized AI infrastructure. So it's a project related to AI that connects GPU providers with AI developers via layer 2 blockchain, offering scalable computing power token as incentive. Now this is something that hurts me. This is a project like Render. This is a project like Node AI, which is also known as GPU. This is a project like Claude, and this is a project like hundreds of other projects out there. What they're doing is not unique at all, and this trend pretty much started at somewhere towards the end of 2023. That was when it was in extreme hype. Everyone was singing songs of GPU, GPU, GPU. Now that trend is not there anymore, and they're trying to catch up onto a trend that is pretty much gone. So I don't think that AI compute marketplace is going to give them any unique angle. I don't like that at all, because there are so many projects already doing that and struggling to survive on top of it. Compatible layer 2 tokenized driven economy, nothing that I would look at and would make me think that okay, this is something that is unique and is going to make us love this project. So unfortunately, what they're doing is not something that is going to push them hard. I wouldn't hold this project for long term. I would hold it for November, December. That would be pretty much it. Holding it for 3 years, 5 years, that is going to be a disaster. When we talk about its tokenomics, the tokenomics are not nice either. This thing has some good amount of inflation. And when I say good amount of inflation, we are talking about inflation. Just a second, 11, and that gives us an inflation of 434%. This project has 434% of inflation left, and that is not nice. I mean, 100% inflation is a killer, and then a coin has 400% inflation yet to come. I wouldn't go after it. So I think if we look at its overall tokenomics economy, the way it is structured, it is not a project that one should go for long term. Short term, yes. Short term, you can go for it, and the structure that we are seeing on the chart is also nice as well. Now, please keep in mind, this is on 30 minutes, and the coin is only 1 day old. This structure is called falling channel. This is a bullish structure. When a coin has a structure like this, it works really well. Apart from that, if you look at it, we can argue for another structure. This is a pole, and this is a pennant. Again, another bullish structure. Everything screams and points towards one thing, that it should break this red line, and then it will give us a confirmation that it is going to fly. Now, where the hell is this confirmation? The confirmation is at the price of 007. If this coin goes towards the area of 007, it will start shooting up, and when I say up, it is going to shoot up towards a higher target of 1 cent. it will lose a 0, it will go towards the 1 cent, and I think that it will not stop at 1 cent. I will see this project pumping towards the area of 4 cents. So this is going to be pretty much a crazy target, and it is going to happen in pieces. Of course, the first target is 1 cent, the next target is 1.4 cent. Now from here, 1.4 cent is a 100% move. It's a 2x, not a bad deal at all. All we need from this project is to go up and break above the area of 007. It's sitting at 0064. Once it does that with 007, I think that it would give us a confirmation that it is delivering on the bullish side. Now let's talk about the bearish side. What if it is not able to break above this red line and it goes down, which is a 30% probability, by the way. 70% probability of this structure is shooting up, 30% is shooting down. Let's talk about the 30% probability. What if it fails? What if it fails? Then it is going to crash towards the area of 003, which is a crash of more than 50%. So that is going to be horrible. Right now, it is very close to decision area. 007 is just a little bit up. If it fails to break above it, you should prepare for 003. And if it does break, you should prepare for 1.4 cent. First 1 cent, then 1.4 cent, which is 0.014. I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.